Assalamualaikum friends. Today I will show you how to make a crochet I-cord. For this you will need a yarn and a base layer hook. I am using 2.5 mm hook, and this one is Bali cotton yarn. I am using this one thin cotton yarn. So at first make a slip knot. And chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and then insert the hook into the second chain and draw up a loop, and then into the third chain draw up a loop. So you see there are 3 loops. Now pinch here these 2 loops, pinch on their body and drop 2 loops, then yarn over and pull through the loops, then insert the hook, yarn over and pull through the loops, and again insert the hook, yarn over and pull through the loops. So this is the pattern. Every time there will be 3 loops. So I'm showing you again. You can pinch on their body, or you can hold them like this and remove 2 loops, then pull, yarn over and pull through the loops to the second one, insert the hook and yarn over and pull through loops, and the last one, insert the hook and yarn over and pull through the loops. Again I'm showing you, I'm pinching on their body here. So remove 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the loops, yarn over and pull through the loops, and the last yarn over and pull through the loops. See, remove 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the loops, insert the hook and yarn over, pull through the loops, insert the hook, yarn over and pull through the loops. So again remove 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the loops, yarn over, insert the hook and yarn over, pull through the loops, and into the last one, insert the hook and yarn over, pull through the loops. Same, follow this pattern and make how much long you want it to be. Insert loop, yarn over and pull through the loops from here, and insert the hook, yarn over, pull through the loops, insert hook, yarn over and pull through the loops. Remove 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the loops, yarn over, pull through the loops, and yarn over, pull through the loops. So see, remove 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the loops, yarn over, pull through the loops, and yarn over, pull through the loops. So here you see I have made this long here, and you see this one with a bigger hook and thick yarn. You can make any kind of sling for bag, or you can make jewelry's handband with this. See, it looks like cord. At the end, make the longer you need, then at the end just yarn over and pull through all 3 loops here, and just chain 1 and cut the yarn and secure it. Your cord will be ready. I cord. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, share and comment, and obviously please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.